Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0020-12 indicates an issue with the left side airbag inflator in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This error code is triggered when the Supplemental Restraint System (SRS) unit detects a voltage on the detection line that exceeds the predefined allowable limit. The SRS unit, which manages the entire airbag system, monitors conditions and abnormalities to protect passengers in the event of a collision. When this error occurs, it indicates a potential failure in the circuit that powers the driver's side airbag, which could compromise safety functionalities. The vehicle may also exhibit symptoms related to the airbag system, making it crucial for technicians to follow the correct diagnostic procedures. Properly diagnosing this issue requires an understanding of the vehicle's safety systems and careful inspection of all related components. The DTC B0020 points to a short-to-power scenario affecting the left side airbag inflator circuit in the Honda Accord. The primary component affected by this code is the driver's side airbag, installed in the steering wheel of the vehicle. This airbag is vital for passenger safety, deploying in the event of a front collision. The SRS unit, located beneath the dashboard, plays a crucial role in monitoring airbag functionality and detecting malfunctions. It continually assesses voltages in various circuits to ensure they remain within safe operating ranges. When the SRS unit detects an abnormal voltage, it stores the DTC and will often trigger warning lights on the dashboard, indicating a need for immediate attention. Thus, understanding the functions of these components is essential for accurate diagnostics and subsequent repairs. Several factors can lead to the DTC B0020-12. One possible cause is damage to the left side airbag inflator itself, which can occur from an external impact or inherent manufacturing defects. Additionally, a short circuit within the wiring harness, specifically in the LFSA plus or LFSA minus connections leading to the SRS unit, can create an abnormal voltage condition that triggers the DTC. Shorts can result from wear, corrosion, or incorrect installation during prior repairs. Furthermore, if the other components appear normal, a malfunction in the SRS unit may be the root cause. Each of these potential issues necessitates careful inspection and testing to ensure safety features are fully operational. When the DTC B0020-12 is present, several symptoms may become evident. The most noticeable indicator is typically the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction in the SRS system. This warning light serves as an early detection system, seeking to prevent the driver from operating the vehicle with compromised airbag functionality. Additionally, there may be a failure to deploy the driver's side airbag during a crash, which could significantly increase injury risks. In some cases, the airbag system may operate inconsistently, leading to confusion about its readiness. Understanding these symptoms is vital to assessing the urgency for repair, as they directly affect passenger safety during vehicle operation. The first troubleshooting step is to perform the confirmation procedure by turning the vehicle to the on mode and allowing it to sit for 10 seconds. This process helps ensure that the SRS unit has had adequate time to complete its self-check routines and potentially reset any stored DTCs. The technician should then check if the DTC B0020 is indicated. If the DTC persists, this confirms a potential malfunction within the left side airbag circuit. Conversely, if the DTC does not show, the issue may lie elsewhere, prompting further investigation into the driver's side airbag or related components. Proper execution of this step is crucial for accurately diagnosing the underlying problem, as it guides the technician toward the next steps in the troubleshooting process. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC B0020-12, the technician will conduct an inspection of the driver's side airbag. Prior to conducting this inspection, it's essential to disconnect the vehicle's 12-volt battery terminal and wait for at least 3 minutes to ensure all power is drained, complying with safety guidelines regarding the SRS system. The driver's side airbag inflator connector 2P should be disconnected for direct examination. During the assessment, the technician will inspect for any visible damage, corrosion, or potential shorts existing within the airbag wiring. If the airbag appears functional and without defects, it suggests that the airbag itself is not the cause of the DTC, and subsequent tests will be needed on the external circuit and SRS unit. The third troubleshooting step involves the LFSA Plus circuit, which powers the driver's side airbag. After ensuring that previous components have been assessed, the technician will have disconnected the SRS unit connector B57P and the driver's side airbag inflator connector 2P. The inspection will focus on checking if LFSA Plus is shorted to power by performing a continuity test while the ignition is in the on position. If this circuit shows signs of a short, it confirms that this line needs repair or replacement. Proper evaluation of the LFSA Plus and related connections is a critical part of diagnosing the source of the DTC B0020-12. An absent short indicates the need to continue inspections in subsequent steps to uncover other possible faults. Next, the technician will move to inspect the LFSA- circuit in the fourth step. Similar to the LFSA Plus inspection, this will require ensuring all relevant connectors have been appropriately disconnected for safety. The technician will conduct the inspection while ensuring that the ignition is in the on position and check for any shorts between LFSA- and the power supply. This step is crucial as LFSA- serves as the ground connection for the airbag system. Any fault here could similarly impact functionality and safety. If abnormalities are detected, it will further isolate the circuit as a source of the problem. Absence of a short means that focus can pivot towards the SRS unit itself, suggesting further diagnostics on this component may be necessary. In the fifth troubleshooting step, the technician will inspect the SRS unit itself, particularly if previous steps indicated that other components were functioning correctly. If no issues were found with the driver's side airbag or wiring circuits, then the SRS unit may likely be the cause behind the DTC B0020. The SRS unit acts as the control center for the airbag system, monitoring signal voltages and determining when to deploy airbags during a collision. A malfunction in this unit can prevent deployment or trigger faults of the airbag, significantly impairing vehicle safety. Should the SRS unit be confirmed faulty, it will require reprogramming or replacement to restore functionality and ensure compliance with safety standards. After completing the troubleshooting and repair processes related to the DTC B0020-12, it is crucial to perform a final verification to ensure that all systems are operational. This involves clearing the DTC using a Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool, which resets the SRS system and clears any stored errors. Following this, a test drive should be conducted to monitor the airbag system for normal performance. During this drive, the technician should check that the airbag warning light remains off and observe for any errors or irregularities in airbag deployment behavior. Successful completion of these steps confirms that the issue has been properly addressed and the airbag system is functioning as intended, thereby increasing the safety for all vehicle occupants. To prevent the recurrence of issues similar to DTC B0020-12, regular preventive maintenance of the airbag system is essential. This includes inspecting the driver's side airbag and its wiring connections during routine service intervals. Technicians should be vigilant for signs of wear, corrosion, or any potential damage that could lead to electrical shorts or circuit failures. Any issues discovered should be addressed immediately to maintain vehicle safety and functionality. Moreover, adhering strictly to installation guidelines during any repairs or maintenance can help prevent complications related to wiring or component failure. These steps significantly contribute to the longevity and reliability of the airbag system, safeguarding passengers on the road. In summary, diagnosing and resolving DTC B0020-12 requires a systematic approach that prioritizes safety and thorough inspection of airbag components. Each step, from confirming error codes to inspecting the SRS unit, is designed to pinpoint the source of the issue and ensure the airbag system operates as intended. Importance is placed on the external circuit and connections as potential failure points. Furthermore, adopting regular preventive maintenance practices can significantly reduce the risk of similar DTCs arising in the future. Maintaining an effective and reliable airbag system is crucial for protecting the driver and passengers alike, ensuring optimal performance and safety during vehicle operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.